Standard 7 Subject Geography Lesson number 4 Air Pressure Part 3 Pressure belts on the Earth's surface. The heat received from the sun is uneven in different regions, hence the distribution of temperature is uneven from equator to the poles. As a result, the temperature zones are created. We have studied this in the previous class. Equatorial low pressure belt. The sun rays can be perpendicular between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. So, the temperature is higher in this region. Hence, the air in this region gets heated, expands, becomes lighter and move towards the sky. As this process operates continuously, a low pressure belt gets formed in the central part of this region between the parallels 5 degree north and 5 degree south. Mid-latitudinal high pressure belts. The heated air becomes lighter, starts ascending and after reaching the higher altitude move towards the polar regions, that is towards the north and the south pole. Due to low temperatures at the higher altitudes, the air cools down and becomes heavier. This heavier air descends down in both the hemispheres in the region between 25 degree to 35 degree parallels. This leads to the formation of high pressure belts in these parallels of latitude in both the hemispheres. This air is dry, hence this region doesn't get rainfall. Consequently, most of the hot deserts on the earth are found in these regions. Subpolar low pressure belts. Due to the earth's curvature, the area between two parallels gets reduced as we move towards the poles. This results in lesser friction of the air with the earth's surface. Air in this region is thrown out because of this reduced friction and also because of Earth's rotational movement. This leads to the development of a low pressure belt. This condition is observed between the areas of 55 degree and 65 degree parallels in both the hemispheres. Polar high pressure belts. In both the polar regions, the temperature is below 0 degree throughout the year. Hence, here the air is cold. As a result, high pressure belt is formed. These are called polar high pressure belts. They generally occupy the area between 80 degree and 90 degree parallels in both the hemispheres. The duration and the intensity of sun rays varies during particular period of the year in both the hemispheres. As a result, the locations of the temperature zones and pressure belts depend on the sun's heats also vary. This change is of the order of 5 degree to 7 degree north in Uttarayan and 5 degree to 7 degree south in Dakshinayan. This is called the oscillation of pressure belts. Use your brain power. If there is low pressure at the equator, what will be the condition of air pressure in the Arctic zone? If there is low pressure at the equator, air pressure in the Arctic zone will be high. Thus, the effects of air pressure can be as follows: origin of winds, generation of storms, conventional type of rain. Thank you.